Today's topic is Kalamkari printing for the third semester students of Fashion Technology Department. We are going to study about the history, origin, procedure, colors and motifs which we used in Kalamkari printing. So let's start with the presentation. First is introduction. Kalamkari is an ancient style of hand painting done on cotton or silk fabric with a tamarind pen using natural dyes. So Kalamkari is a traditional printing which is basically a hand painting done on fabric, and fabric is used like cotton and silk. The tool which we used for this printing is tamarind pen, which is look like a pen with the help of natural colors or dyes. The word kalamkari is derived from a Persian word where kalam means pen and kari refers to craftsmanship. This art involves 23 tedious steps of dyeing, bleaching the fabric, hand painting, block printing, starching, starch of fabric, cleaning, finally clean the fabric and more. Motifs drawn in kalamkari spans from flower, peacock, paisley to divine characters of Hindu epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. You can see the image of kalamkari printing, the motif, religious motif used in this painting or printing. Centuries ago, folk singer and painters used to wander from one village to another, narrating stories of Hindu mythology to the people village. This colorful art dates back to more than 3000 BC. According to the historian, fabric samples depicting Kalamkari art was found at the archaeological sites of Mohenjo-daro. But it was during the Mughal era when this style of painting got recognition. Mughal promoted this art in the Golconda and Coromandel province where skillful craftsmen used to practice this art. That's how this art and the word kalamkari evolved. What is the process to making hand painting kalamkari? The process of making kalamkari was 23 tedious steps. From natural process of bleaching the fabric, first you have to bleach the fabric, soften it, sun drying, let it dry in the sunlight, preparing natural dyes with the help of natural flowers, leaves, spices, etc. Then paint on the hand paint on the done on the fabric. To the process of air drying and washing, the entire procedure is a process which acquires precision and an eye for detailing. Cotton fabric used for kalamkari is first treated with a solution of cow dung and bleach. After keeping the fabric in this solution for hours, the fabric gets a uniform of white color. After this, the cotton fabric is immersed in a mixture of buffalo milk and mybrillans. This avoids smudging of dyes in the fabric when it is painted with natural dyes. Later, the fabric is washed under running water to get rid of the odor of buffalo milk. The fabric likewise is washed 20 times and dried under the sun. Once the fabric is ready for painting, artists sketch motifs and designs on the fabric. Post this, the Kalamkari artist prepare dyes using natural sources to fill colors within the drawing. This is a flow chart of fabric process of kalamkari hand printing. First, cow dung bleach, where we mix cow dung, water and milk for stir the fabric. Then wash the fabric in normal water. Mybrolam treatment, after that applied mybrolam plus water. Then kalamkari black liquid is used for outline, which is called alum liquid or mordant for filling the colors. Then wash it in running water, normal running water. Then how we develop the color? Boiling the fabric by gradually increasing the height with increasing the heat with the ingredients alizarin and dye source. After wash the fabric in normal water in 3 times. Then for fixation of color, fabric is dipped and stirred in the alum water. Finally, dry the fabric in sunlight. Then what are the colors basically we used in kalamkari printing? Kalamkari art primarily use earthy colors like indigo, mustard, rust, black and green. Natural dyes used to paint colors in kalamkari art is extracted for natural sources with no use of chemicals and artificial matter. Craftsmen extract black color by blending jaggery, water and iron, filling which they essentially use for outlining the sketches, while mustard or yellow is derived by boiling. Pomegranate peels, red hues are created from bark of madder or elgreen. Likewise, blue is obtained from indigo and green is derived by mixing yellow and blue together. So this slide shows the different types of kalamkari printing. There are two identifiable styles of kalamkari art in India. First is Shrikala Hasti and second is Machilipatnam style. In the Machilipatnam style of kalamkari, motifs are essentially printed with hand carved traditional blocks with intricate detailing painting by hands. On the other hand, Srikalahasti style of painting draws inspiration from Hindu mythology, describing scenes from the epics and folklore. This style holds a strong religious connect because of its origin in the temples. In recent times, two other types of Kalamkari pattern have also emerged based on the states where it is created. Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh are two prime states in India where two different types of Kalamkari pattern are done. The Andhra Kalamkari borrows design inspiration from forts, palaces, and temples of India, along with motifs of animals and birds, while the Gujarat Kalamkari depict motifs of mythological characters like Krishna Arjun from Mahabharata, Lord Krishna, Lord Ganesha, Lord Buddha, etc. Now, what is the present scenario of Kalamkari in India? It is the first representation of Kalamkari art as religious paintings depicting Indian gods and goddesses to the process of gaining recognition during the region of Mughal density. Until today, when Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of Kalamkari, this art has come a long way. In the past decade, due to the tedious technique involved in its making, Kalamkari art was losing its shine. It was the fashion designers of the Indian fashion industry who came together to revive this art and helped artisans practicing this art in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Creative minds like Gaurang Shah beautifully portrayed Kalamkari sarees on fashion runways, which brought back this immortal art back in the limelight. So this is the history, procedure, and present scenario of kalamkari painting or printing. I think you all will understand the presentation very well. So thank you very much.